Hello, this is Jeff from Vocal Boost to Go, and today I want to show you something about the VOMO tripod. So some people get confused why this leg has a foam, this has a foam, but that one doesn't. Basically, because it's a tripod, it's based on the camera tripod, and when people carry the camera like that, they just put it over the shoulder and it provides nice cushioning. And that's all it is. And this one is not necessary. So you can just hold it over here, or you can hold it here, but if you put it on the shoulder, it provides nice cushioning for the shoulder. Now, the other confusion some people have is with the legs. When you extend the leg, you're supposed to unscrew this just a little bit, this knob, and put the leg out until it clicks, and then tighten it up. Then do the next one, just a little bit. Open it up until it stops, and tighten it up. You don't have to pull it all the way out. You can just pull a little bit as you need it, and then you can tighten it up, and it's going to be nice and tight. And that's all it is. That's how it works. So if you happen to unscrew the whole thing and pull it out, it's okay. It's totally okay. Just put it back, like so. Nice and strong, no problem.
To extend the legs, loosen the knobs slightly. If you unscrew too much and you can see the thread, stop. Because you're gonna lose it. And now what? Note that the plastic insert has a lip and a raised round button, and the tube has a hole in it. So the raised button on the plastic insert should fit into the hole in the tube, just like this. It's important to know that on the inside of the metal tube there are two raised ridges. Make sure that the raised ridge fits in between the plastic inserts, and then screw on the tightening knot. And one more time. Match the raised button on the inserts, hold it in place, match the other one, like that, hold both of them in place, and then slide it in. Check for the ridge and adjust if necessary, and then just slide it in, just like that. And the last thing, just screw the knob on, and you're done. The leg is functioning properly now.